Hello everyone, the one we bring to you today is our portable folding laser marking machine. It uses a full power 20W laser using high-speed galvanometer. The body shell is made of pure aluminum. Try to be as lightweight as possible while ensuring hardness. The advantage of this machine is that its light path can be rotated 360, and the optical path can be folded. Therefore, its size will be small and easy to carry. It will be very convenient for friends who start their own businesses.